Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to shop on Amazon Canada and pay with Klarna? Here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open the Klarna app and tap the search bar. Type Amazon and select the Amazon website. Now sign into Amazon using your account details. You will need to be logged in to place an order. Now search for your items and add them to your cart just like you normally would. Once you are ready, tap the card icon and hit proceed to checkout. Next, choose add a payment method. Then select add a credit or debit card. Now tap pay with Klarna. Klarna will detect the payment amount, review your plan and select pay in for if you want to avoid interest. Confirm your plan and Klarna will verify your payment method. Once approved, tap continue. Klarna will generate a digital card. Copy the details and head back to Amazon. Paste the card details into Amazon's payment section. Then click place your order. And that's it. Your order is complete. And you have paid with Klarna. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.